Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Kia Sportage key. Your key fob is a powerful tool for convenience and security. It allows you to remotely control various functions of your vehicle, making daily interactions much easier. Understanding each button and its purpose will ensure you get the most out of your Sportage experience, providing peace of mind and efficient access every time you drive. Using the remote functions is straightforward. To lock your Sportage, simply press the lock button once. For unlocking, a single press opens the driver's door, while pressing it twice within 2 seconds unlocks all doors. If your model has a power liftgate, holding the trunk button for about 3 seconds will conveniently open it for you, making loading and unloading simple. In situations where your key fob battery might be depleted, or if you prefer manual entry, your Sportage key fob contains a hidden physical key. To access it, locate the small release button on the back of the fob and slide it to extract the key. You can then insert this key into the driver's side door lock cylinder to manually lock or unlock your vehicle with ease. Beyond basic functions, some Kia Sportage key fobs offer advanced features like remote engine start. Simply hold the dedicated remote start button for a few seconds to warm up or cool down your vehicle. The panic button, when pressed, will activate your car's alarm and lights for approximately 25 seconds. Remember to replace your key fob battery, typically a CR2032 coin cell, every 1 to 2 years for reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.